These tricks will ensure your towels are never rough again, and you'll use them more often than you think. Your laundry will feel softer and more pleasant than ever. Prepare your towels as usual by placing them in the washing machine. Then pour 250 milliliters of vinegar into the detergent and fabric softener compartment. You don't need to add any other detergent or softener. A single wash with vinegar will remove residue, limescale, and leftover detergents that make towels rough and less absorbent. From now on, towels washed this way will be as soft and fluffy as new. Hang freshly washed towels properly, as this is crucial for maintaining their condition and reducing drying time. After removing them from the washing machine, shake the towels to loosen the fibers and reduce creases. Ensure they are fully unfolded to maximize their drying surface. Dry them in a well-ventilated place, ideally outdoors, or in a breezy room. Airflow softens the towels and prevents stiffness. Avoid drying towels in areas with poor air circulation, as this can lead to mildew and unpleasant odors. Using too much detergent is a common mistake that can make towels rough. The amount of detergent significantly impacts the softness of your laundry. Excess detergent can build up on towel fibers, leaving them stiff. Soaking towels in water with vinegar before washing can bring many benefits, such as softening fibers, removing musty odors, and eliminating detergent residue and limescale. Regularly soaking towels in vinegar will keep them perfectly soft. If your towels feel rough after washing, pay attention to one important detail next time. When loading towels into the washing machine, make sure to leave some space. About 1/5 of the drum should remain empty. Overloading the machine can cause uneven detergent distribution. Always use the amount of detergent recommended on the packaging. The right amount makes a big difference in the quality of your towels. Following these tips will ensure your towels are perfectly soft after every wash. Add 2 tablespoons to the wash. It will stay fragrant for days. Even a week after taking it out of the closet, you'll smell its lovely scent. I'll show you how to perfume laundry with a simple homemade method. Use 3 portions of table salt. I measure this amount with a small cup. Salt acts as a natural stain remover, helping the detergent dissolve all stains. Along with the stains, any unpleasant odors will disappear from the clothes. To the salt, add 1 scoop of baking soda. It's a natural cleaner that removes even dried stains. Salt and baking soda soften the water, making the clothes feel nicer to the touch and helping the detergent work more effectively. This will allow the laundry to carry the fragrance you choose. Add about 20 drops of your favorite essential oil. Mix everything together and store it in a sealed container. Depending on the amount of laundry, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of this mixture to each load. Use laundry capsules or detergent as usual. To further enhance the scent, mix citric acid with 100 milliliters of water, add a few drops of the same essential oil, and pour a couple of tablespoons of this mixture into the fabric softener compartment. This way, your freshly washed clothes will have a long-lasting fragrance thanks to these natural additions. Sprinkle this on your laundry. Once you see the difference, you'll want to do it every day. Get a bowl and place your laundry inside. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of salt over it, followed by 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Next, pour in enough hot water to cover the laundry. Let it soak for a few minutes. Salt helps maintain color intensity, which is especially important for colored lingerie. It prevents fading. Baking soda softens fabrics, especially delicate materials like lace. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it a great disinfectant. After soaking, rinse the laundry thoroughly under running water. Dry it in a well-ventilated area, avoiding direct sunlight, which can affect color durability. It's a simple and effective trick. Pour it into the wash. Dark clothes will regain their intense black color faster than you think. Put all the dark clothes in the washing machine, but choose only those that don't have any prints or other, especially light colors. Now it's time for coffee. Brew some coffee, either from a machine or instant, but make sure it doesn't have any grounds. This is a homemade method to refresh clothes without using chemical dyes. Add the coffee to the detergent compartment of the washing machine or pour a cup of coffee directly onto the laundry. As usual, add your regular laundry detergent and start the washing machine. Coffee helps darken black and brown clothes. This beverage acts as a natural dye, reviving colors, especially on dark fabrics. It can also help maintain the color intensity, preventing it from fading. Start the washing machine, and that's it. You will definitely notice a difference. The clothes will be as black as new. Add this to your dirty laundry, and the results will surprise you. That dazzling white wash you've been dreaming of is within reach. Use this trick, and your socks, shirts, tablecloths, or towels will regain their whiteness. Here's how to do it. You only need one ingredient, a common spice. I'm talking about plain black pepper. Pepper acts as a gentle abrasive and helps remove detergent residue that causes a grayish tint. Simply add a teaspoon of ground black pepper directly into the washing machine drum during your next wash. Wash your white laundry as usual. Clothes washed with pepper will regain their bright white color. Add it to the drum every time you wash towels, bed linens, or white clothes. After washing, you'll notice a difference. Everything will be much whiter than usual. Tip for washing shoes in the washing machine. Whenever I wash shoes in the washing machine, I always add one more thing to the drum. This prevents them from getting damaged. Thanks to this, washing them in the machine is no problem. You don't have to wash sneakers or sports shoes by hand. It's a tedious and time-consuming task. With such footwear, like sneakers or other sports shoes, the washing machine handles it perfectly, especially when the sports shoes are white. Even if the washing machine doesn't have a program for washing sports shoes, you can do it without worry. You can wash most of such shoes and fabric footwear in the machine, but not leather ones. This trick is also perfect for old sports shoes, especially white ones that you were thinking of throwing away. Wash them in the machine, and you'll surely still wear them. When washing shoes in the machine, choose a program for delicate fabrics and the lowest temperature, maximum 40 degrees. The best part is that you can easily wash even just one pair of shoes, and you can spin them without any problems. However, choose the lowest spin speed, put the shoes in the washing machine, and add one more thing. A towel is best, preferably a thick terry one. Put it in together with the shoes for washing. You can even use 2 towels. Then it will fulfill its role even better. The towel prevents the shoes from moving too much in the drum. The shoes won't rub against each other and the inside of the washing machine edges. With towels in the drum, you can easily spin the shoes without any worries. If you have laundry bags, you can place the shoes in them. Then washing them in the machine will be less invasive. Did you know about this towel trick? Do you wash shoes in the washing machine? Let me know in the comments.